In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the financial year end in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential if you want your accounting records to align correctly with your business's fiscal year. Having an accurate financial year end helps you produce more relevant financial statements, which is crucial for making informed business decisions. Let's dive in. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Enter your username and password. Then click Continue to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, head to the Settings section. Look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you manage several accounting preferences, including those related to your company's fiscal year. Next, navigate to the Advanced section. Here, you'll find various advanced configurations, including accounting and tax settings. Click on Accounting to reveal options for adjusting your account structure, including specifying your fiscal year now. Turn on the Close the Books feature. Enabling this secures and finalizes your accounting data up to your chosen closing date. This prevents accidental changes to finalized data, which could disrupt your reports. After turning on Close the Books, select a closing date. Pick a date that aligns with your new financial year end. This determines when your financial year officially ends and ensures QuickBooks logs in your financial data accurately. Once you've selected the date, click Save to apply your changes, then click Done to exit the settings area. This confirms that your new financial year end has been successfully set in QuickBooks Online. With these changes, QuickBooks now reflects your updated financial year end, helping you keep your financial data organized and in line with your business needs. If you have questions or need further help, check out QuickBooks Help Resources or consult a professional accountant. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on effectively managing your financial software. Happy bookkeeping!